Do you guys like my makeup? I was channeling my inner B Marie. I don't know. I feel like it could definitely been better. But for my first time trying a halo eye, it's cute. Hey friends, it's your girl Onika Alexandria, and in today's video, I am going to show you my early Christmas gifts. If you want to see what they are, continue to watch. I haven't completed it all, but a few things came in and I wanted to share it with you guys, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to be opening up is Fashion Nova. I ordered a few things from Fashion Nova and it just came in. So let's open it up and see. So these are what came in the package. We have a Party with Cardi flyer. Now this is already gone. This was the 14th, but that flyer is cute though. And then we have a 15% off code, and the code is fall15. Save some coins. You already know what my nana has taught me, and I have carried that lesson through and through. I picked up 3 pieces. However, it seems one of the pieces that I picked up sold out, so they wasn't able to send it to me, so they refunded me my money instead. Okay, so now the first things that I have are some Fashion Nova jeans. You guys, I love Fashion Nova jeans. I'm a plus size curvy girl, and I find that Fashion Nova jeans work the best for me. And these are the Game Changer jeans in a 2X. These usually retail for $24.98. However, I did use a coupon code and I got 30% off. I got them for $17.50. All of my clothes, I usually buy 3X, right? But because I've ordered from Fashion Nova before and I have a few of the jeans, and I've realized that with their jeans, they actually stretch after a while. So I wanted to go down a size. I hope I don't regret it, because that's not my waist. This is not my waist. We're gonna try them on and see. Okay, and these are them on. This is what it is looking like. It's definitely tighter than what I expected, and it has front pockets. You guys, do you know how monumental that is? All of the jeans that I have don't have front pockets, and it has front pockets. Granted, it's a little tight to get into, but I can't put nothing but money in here, and not even coins. But it does look nice, and they actually fit. I'm really surprised, but they actually fit. And the second thing that I got from Fashion Nova in this order is this jacket right here, and this is the So Reflective jacket, and this is like the new trend that's going on. Oh, you guys can't see it. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so let me try to get a close-up so you guys can see the color. It doesn't actually look this bright. It's because of all the lights that I have on. This one retails for $34.99, but I got it for $24.49. It's fly. I'm not even gonna lie. This is it on. I just kept on the jeans, as you guys can see. Ooh, zipper, what's going on? No way. All right, so that was an extra piece of thread. Let me try this again. Oh. Super cute, and it comes with a hood. Let me get my braids out of the way. Oh, it looks a little bit crop top, no? Or am I just that tall? No, it looks crop top. Let me see. Okay, no. It's not as long. It has this detail, so I can draw it in. I'm so happy with this. It has the 2 stripes going down the side. Oh my god, this looks freaking amazing. Like, it looks so good. The other packages that I received are actually from Amazon. So this is the first one right here. Sweet. Oh, yay! Okay, so these are some Puma sneakers that I purchased. And these were for $33.89. And this is the box. Well, I was a bit worried because in the description of the color it's called Icelandic blue, but the photo it looked purple. And I'm so happy that it was true to photo. In person, they're like a purple. Now, yes, I got big feet. I wear a size 11 women's. I'm tall. I'm like 5'10", 5'11". So, I mean, it comes with the territory. How freaking hot are these? This is the front. These are hot though. Oh my God, I cannot wait to wear them. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. I already got 2 outfits in mind what I want to wear with them. Actually. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually. Oh my God. I actually bought these to match with this. Oh my God, I cannot wait. This is the last thing that I got. Okay. A box in a box. Okay. And if you guys are asking why it's open like this, I live in St. Kitts in the West Indies, and here customs check everything. Okay, they don't play with that. So this is it right here. What it is it's a ring light that holds a phone. I am actually going to make a video reviewing this product, so stay tuned. Alright friends, so that's the end of my Christmas gift haul. I still have a few more things coming in, so stay tuned. I put out a video every single Sunday at 5 p.m. so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways, as always, with love, bye.